Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Uniarch hardware for a phone connection. Charge Uniarch to at least 40% and power it on. Low battery prevents pairing. Check the device status LED and, if needed, update firmware to V1. 2. 3 or later using a computer before proceeding. To enter Bluetooth pairing mode, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue and white. Keep the device within 10 meters of your phone and avoid metal obstructions during initial setup to ensure a stable first connection. On your phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. In Bluetooth scanning mode, look for a device named Uniarch or Uniarch XXXX in the available devices list. Tap the Uniarch entry to start pairing. If your phone requests a PIN, enter 0000. Wait for the confirmation message that the device is connected. The Uniarch LED will change to steady blue. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, and try again while keeping the devices within 10 meters and free from interference. After Bluetooth pairing, install the Uniarch mobile app from your phone's app store to configure profiles, calibrate sensors, and check battery percentage. Open the app and grant required permissions to locate and pair with the connected Uniarch automatically. If Bluetooth pairing fails repeatedly, connect Uniarch to the phone via USB OTG using the supplied cable for a wired setup or firmware restoration. To fully reset pairing records, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then re-enter Bluetooth pairing mode and repeat the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.